Hey, welcome to our introductory video on C++ programming. And in this video, we'll be covering the basics of what C++ is, why it's important, and what you can do with it. Okay, now what is C++? So what exactly is C++? C++ is a powerful high-level programming language that was developed by Barney Stroustrup in the 1980s. Now, it is an extension of the C programming language with added features such as object-oriented programming, generics, and memory management capabilities. Now, why you should be learning C++? Well, C++ is widely used in various industries, including software development, game development, system programming, and more. It is known for its performance, flexibility, and ability to handle low-level programming tasks while also supporting high-level abstractions. Now, what can you do with C++? So, the possibilities are virtually endless. With C++, you can develop everything from simple applications to complex desktop softwares, video games, web servers, mobile apps, and even operating systems. Many popular software applications and systems, including Microsoft Windows, Adobe Photoshop, and video game engines like Unreal Engines, are written in C++. Okay, now let us discuss briefly about some key features of C++. So the first feature is object-oriented programming, or OOPS. So C++ supports OOPS principles such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, allowing you to organize and structure your code efficiently. C++ also supports generic programming. C++ templates enable you to write generic algorithms and data structures that work with any data types. Performance in C++ is also very high, making it ideal for applications where speed and efficiency are critical. This language is completely portable, which means that C++ code can be compiled and run on various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and embedded systems. C++ also features a standard library, which provides a rich standard library that includes a wide range of functions and classes for common tasks such as input-output operations, string manipulations, and data structures. Now, in conclusion, C++ is a versatile programming language with a wide range of applications and powerful features. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn programming or an experienced developer seeking to expand your skills, mastering C++ can open up countless opportunities in the world of software development. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos in our C++ programming series.